Hi, welcome to another week in high school, everybody, and MIT is here with us on campus. We have MIT students who have been in Korea for several weeks now, and this week and last week they have been working in many of our high school classrooms. George, welcome to KIS. Can you tell us a little bit about how this fits into your MIT experience back in the US and what you've been doing since you've been here?
I've been here for almost 3 weeks now. Our first week here, it was like a week over winter break. We were running a workshop. Me and Cindy had a probability and graph theory in games workshop. So we're kind of just like teaching lessons to students and seeing how that applies to a lot of games and how a lot of the intuition there in the classroom can translate into like kind of a more fun area. And in terms of what I've been doing since is I've been kind of going around classrooms, kind of acting as like a little like TA or like a teacher support, and helping out wherever I'm needed and answering any sort of questions.
George, tell me really quickly, we did a rundown before our filming today. What classrooms have you been in?
So I've been in math classrooms, I've been in the CS classrooms, econ and stats, so a lot of stuff similar to what I've been studying. Oh, yes, and advanced PE. That was super exciting. We had that yesterday, and we had a good time competing with the kids, and they're all super fun, and great sportsmanship too.
Awesome, thank you. And as an added bonus this year, we have Cindy with us, who is a KIS alum, 2 years out from your time at KIS, and then you've been in college ever since. Tell us, how is KIS the same coming back, and how is it maybe a little bit different?
Yeah, so it's the same because I still see a lot of familiar faces. A lot of the classes I've taken and a lot of the clubs I've been involved in are still here. So it's fun to like visit some of the classrooms, take a look at the classes that I've also been in. Differences, I would say, I think I see a lot more diversity in terms of interests, passion. So I think that's really cool. I also see a lot more girls in STEM, which I support. So that's good. Yeah.
It's been great having you back. George, it's been great having you and the rest of the MIT team here. We thank you so much for your participation. Thanks, everybody. We'll see you next time.